Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into our HubSpot integration. To begin, let's integrate our HubSpot account. To do so, we will click here on the gear icon, then head over to Account Integration and CRM. Next, select HubSpot and click Connect. Now, we are being redirected to the HubSpot authentication page, where we will need to go ahead and confirm the account that we want to integrate and click on Choose Connect. Now, this goes ahead and completes the integration with OnceHub and HubSpot. Here, whenever a new contact is created in OnceHub, a contact will be created in HubSpot. And when a meeting is scheduled in OnceHub, a meeting gets created in HubSpot. So let's look into the field mapping. Here, we can see the default OnceHub contact fields like email, last name, first name, company name are mapped to the corresponding HubSpot fields already. And we do have the option to map additional contact fields to the corresponding HubSpot fields. We can also go ahead and customize the contact fields that we want and map them to the custom HubSpot fields. Once we are happy with the field mapping, we can also look into the overwrite options. This is how we decide how to handle existing data in HubSpot. So when the override is on, new data overwrites existing data. And when the override is off, only empty fields in HubSpot will be populated. Next is the meeting step. Here, we can see which OnceHub meeting fields are mapped to the corresponding HubSpot meeting fields. And that is pretty much it regarding our HubSpot integration. Thank you for watching.